Here are the simple instructions to replace a grease cartridge in a grease gun. First, pull the plunger handle out and lock it into place at the notch on the end. Now screw off the handle end of the grease gun. Remove the old cartridge and discard. Your new cartridge will have a cap at one end. The other end has a plastic lid. Remove the plastic lid and insert that into the grease gun. Now remove the pull tab end and replace the pump handle on the grease gun. Push the plunger back in and you're good to go.